Sanibonani Shafiri ninjani bafethu. I come back with yet another episode of Umculo and Stuff. Niphathelwe mina uThuto Zodetse, umsuthu omzulu, umzulu umsuthu, umsuthu osenquthu. Strateng wampitsa Two Dope. Ohlelweni lwethu la vandag siniphathele yena uKhanyi M ne-track like abathi Makhelwane. Kule track ke ufeature uDr Joe Rimani, and abalicavayo ke time abazocava amagalelo wakhe kakhulu ey'ngomeni zakhe njengabo Nangumoyo, uhamba nebana bandoda, uvamise ukufeature bona like njengama-project akhe abhaya kuba i-Dr Joshua Rimani nabana bandoda, bese some of his other songs Ibhengu kuba bo Kekeleheke, yeah, some of his major songs. Catalogue yakhe inkulu kakhulu though for us to go kuyo one by one yangithola. He's also famous for being part of a group or i-Big Three abayibiza i-Limpopo Poison, uva no-Benny Mayengani plus no-Prince Rangani yangithola. Kodwa-ke vandag njengoba bengishilo size ngoKhanyi M, and uKhanyi M etrackini lakhe leli Makhelwane njengoba bengishilo, it speaks about umakhelwane okukuthi akekho grand in terms of ama-relations nabanye abomakhelwane or naye umakhelwane lo uKhanyi is referencing in the song ukuthi ukhala ngokuthi like uvaya lokha aringa ngaye snacks, whereas makadinga usizo singasho sethi uKhanyi in this instance uye umuntu oqala ohlezi avaya naye angithola. And it would make sense why she would feature a grown-up person in the song, because I'm guessing Dr Joshua Rimani has seen it all, understand in terms of being umuntu omdala onekhaya and unolwazi lokuba nomakhelwane mhlawumbe abanye bayahlupha or abanye bagrand. It is also a song esingayithatha ukuthi mangabe ubuye emakhaya or ubuye elokishini njengoba ngihlala ngisho, and you have umakhelwane oyinkinga or something okukuthi mawuzwa lama-lyrics it's something you can relate to uyangithola, because it is also ingoma egelezisana ukuphathana nje as abantu ukuthi we shouldn't always be going around spreading indaba uyangithola ngabanye abantu just to ukuthandwa. I can say uyangithola, people pleasing ngamagama abantu into ekufanele siyeke as isizwe, and also just try to build each other up yangithola. So i-track lona lidope and litholakala lapha eprojectini lakho uKhanyi M abathi Diamond at 20 yangithola. And I was about to mention ukuthi like imagine ugirl udrop a project elibizwa Diamond at 20 and she already has a feature efana neka Dr Joshua Rimani. That just simply tells you about the bright future she has ahead of her and the amount of faith abantu abafake kuyo yangithola. So i-project libophele lishaya ngama-track ayi-8, people can just go stream it. Kunamanye ama-track afeature aboJuju la mkhona yangithola, and yeah nje just go vibe to it silalele, cause ushaya ishigaza semanje manje ngithola isigaza se-AI, not necessarily that she uses it, but it's like iy'khathi zakhona lezo ukuthi it's the type of vibe espanayo, in a sense that people just want to have fun and listen to umculo obenza bafile grand yangithola. So she's really on par with the times. So sesongena ku-rating criteria yethu for i-rhythm, i-track lithola 23%. I-beat lakhona sounds like a beat I might have heard before, it's just that I can't say ukuthi va, but Viennoch, that's also wrong considering ukuthi umculo most uthathwa from somewhere, but also I just wish they could have done something just like they did kuNuna Utlele and these other songs about Shaile project ngithola. So for that sizogaya u-23, and then sisuke siye ku-lyrical content. For lyrical content I'm going to give it a 25. 25% essentially because it's on par with with what is being said etrekeni. Ugele uyakwazi ukuthi arelay istory from perspective yokuba nomakhelwane ohluphayo hambe khuluma ngomuntu hambe ecela nezinto or usizo ngegama lomunye umakhelwane, and she's reprimanding that. And also no, Dr. Josh Rimani comes through to emphasize that point, so akaluzi i-concept sticker to into ekhulunywayo. For that it gets a 25%. And then sisuke siye ku-production. For reproduction, it gets a 25%. The 25 essentially is the whole thing. Ehlanganisa mastering, the mixing, and how the track was essentially laid. It's on point. Angeke ngize ngithi ngiyalifault. And then for arrangement, masegu konke sizoligaya 73% ngithola, because bacindezelile when it comes to lyrical content plus production, but when it comes to beat composition, it wasn't really, a different source. It's something engathi ejwayelekile, but ngaphandle kwalokho nje ingoma emnandi. Opinion njengoba ngihlala ngisho eyethu as Election Odyssey and umculo and stuff, akuseyabanye abantu. What we actually trying to advise lana ukuthi umuntu avayozwa, and if abavumelana no-73 wethu bangasichazela if bavumelana nawo bafuna ukuyehlisa by any means. Ikhensa shinene bana bashikwembu, asibonge siphinde sithokoze. Danko means thank you.
Menino metala